Hello everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Owl Studio. I'm here with a finished traveler's notebook, and this one is dedicated to the La Rosa, the rose. The cover of it is cloth. This is all cloth, kind of a collage type of fabric, and there's just a little hint of gold stitching in some of the places here and there. So I have a gold elastic band to keep it together, and a little tassel that's detachable. Thought it went really well with those colors. A little bit of vintage lace with a vintage button down here below. So let's get started. It's been sewn all the way around with a cardstock inside. And here is a Tim Holtz die cut, some more vintage lace. Down here, some collaging, and all of these tags have that rose theme going with them. And I won't take them all out, but as you can see, there's a nice little collection all stuck inside. There we go. Beautiful. I love this. I think this is from Artie Mays. Just love that paper. So I went through and did some stenciling on some of the pages. Some of them are tea stained. Here's some more, and this is an altered paper clip. I have a little vintage lace on the back of that, and so sort of a double altered paper clip that it looks kind of pretty on both sides. Here is a tag. I've stitched around it, a little bit of lace, a little shiny brad there, and some vintage music paper. Some more stenciling, a little glassine bag with 2 pieces of ephemera. I love that color too. Here's another altered paper clip with both sides, and some more of these. So yeah, and this is some vintage ledger paper there. So if you love roses, or anybody who does, this is the journal for you. More vintage lace up here with a cardstock button that I made. And here is a little booklet. A little tiny booklet with some fun little papers on the inside. Just a fun little place to do some journaling. Here's the middle page with a little owl charm in the middle. Just love this. This is from chapter 1 papers. Some more, an envelope that I have not glued, in case the person wants to write on the inside. Maybe you want to write on the inside and glue it up. Sort of a secret place. Another one of those tags. This selection of tag comes from Ephemera's Garden. And some vintage lace. Kind of dressed each of those tags up a little bit. Sweet rose pattern there, and that's the 3rd altered paper clip. It's got a little decoration on both sides, little birds over there. And coming down to the end, another glassine bag with a couple more journaling cards. And another booklet. This is the 2nd little booklet inside here. So cute. You could take this out and carry it in your purse if you want to. Write down some thoughts on the go. Here's the last of those really pretty altered tags. And we're coming down to the end, and of course another envelope. I won't take it off, but it's like the other one, it's not sealed. and a pocket in the back, and I've included a whole bunch of little tiny pieces of ephemera, some words, some little doodads here and there that you can use to decorate the pages as you go through. And of course, if you don't like the closure, you can take this off, or you can make it tighter or looser. And that is this little Rosa journal. So thank you so much for viewing. I hope you will take time to like this video and subscribe to more offerings that I'll be having in the shop. And this is available in the shop if you're interested. And thank you so much for viewing. You have a great day. Bye.